So Alex's explanation of this is pretty good. I'll just say that most people I've seen draw this a little bit differently. Like there are teachers that draw it more like they take the 3 and the 19 and the 22 and the -6 and the 4, and then they know that it's because this is x plus 2, it's a -2, that's what we'll be doing the dividing. And some teachers do something like this, where they then, and all the math is the same. So like all this part's the same. We're multiplying, we're adding, we're multiplying, we're adding, we're multiplying, we're adding. So on and so forth. Or some people will draw it more like this, a big fat L, like so, with a -2 out here, and then these numbers on the inside like this. So we don't usually draw the typical division symbol, and you can probably see why. I mean, nothing's going up here. So why are we closing it off like this? I'm not sure why they're doing it that way. All the actions down here. So that's just kind of, for stuff that we do later on, I find these two methods are better suited, because if you have to do synthetic division more than once, this prevents you from having to write everything all over again. You can do it, and then you could like stack another one, which you'll see me do in later videos. So the method's not different. Only thing that's different is how you write it. But I'll tell you what, man, if I was doing this kind of class and I saw a bunch of stuff written this way on the left, and then I got into my new class and they were writing it this way, it would throw me off. So it's the same thing though. It's not a big deal. And I don't really care which way you do it. If you prefer the way Alex did it, that's fine. Just be aware that you're probably going to see it more like this in most other people's classes. So good luck.